And like a snake, it slithers over this path. And let's add some more here. I'm going to hit P. I'm going to go up like this. I'm going to hit P again. A. Bring this down. In our last video, we learned about the type tool. But what if you're doing an advertisement or doing a poster and the text that you're creating is supposed to be a circle or a semicircle or follow a really unique shape? How can we do that? Well, that's why you need the Type on Path tool. It's really powerful and it's really cool. Over here to the left, just hold down the text tool and choose Type on Path. But before that, you actually need a path. So let's go, let's do a circle. So here's a circle, click that, hold down Shift, let's make a perfect circle. And just so we can see this clearer, let's invert this. So go over here where this is the swap for fill and stroke. Currently we have the fill as black and the stroke as transparent. It doesn't even have a stroke. So let's flip it. So now we don't have a fill, but we do have a black stroke. We go back to that Type on Path tool, click on that. Notice even as I mouse over, it says the word path. It's kind of hard to see, but it says path. So that means, okay, that means you can click here. Left click, and now it's filled that with text. So that's already highlighted, so as soon as we start typing, it's gonna delete this sample text and fill it in with our own. I'm just gonna type in easiestsolve.com is the best website for solving a Rubik's Cube. Totally random text. Has no meaning whatsoever. So let's look at this. So hit your A key or choose the direct selection. Either way, that gets you into this mode. Look what's happened. It's showing us the beginning and the end. This box, this line right here, this vertical with a little box on it, that's your ending point, and this one is your starting point. So let's grab the ending point just by left clicking. Right there. And then here's our starting point. I can move it this way, or I can move it this way. So here's my ending point. Let me adjust it. And if you're wondering what this is here, this is where you can adjust them both at the same time. So I can just move this and position, maybe I want it to be centered right here, like so. Let go. I can move it over here. And I can even move it inside. Down to be on the outside of the circle, dragging up to be on the inside of the circle. And again, I can still drag the starting and ending points or just get this middle part and move it around how I want it. So let's actually do it on the outside and let's pull it up to the top like this. And I'm zooming out using my control key. My alt key. And I'm hitting shift. Let's make this bigger. And so our text is in a perfect circle because it's actually on the path of a perfect circle. So we can actually do this to any shape. Let's go over here and just make up our own shape. I'm gonna draw, here's the line segment. I'm just gonna draw a line and using our, let's use our anchor point tool, left click. If you don't know how to do what I'm doing, just go to the beginning of this playlist and I walk you through it. Let's type P for the pen tool. Let's add some more points on here. Hit A, and I'm just going to start adjusting this like so. Let's give it some color so we can actually see the stroke. There we go. So I did 4 points for that. And let's make this a little kind of curvy. Then add some text to it. We're going to hold this down over here, choose Type on Path tool. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free. Mouse over till it says the word path, and then we left click. Now let's fill that in. It's kind of nice. And so it's following this perfectly, a nice curve. It's matching the stroke perfectly. And again, let's, using the A button, A key, mouse over, we get that little icon. Now let's move this. And like a snake, it slithers over this path. And let's add some more here. I'm gonna hit P. I'm gonna go up like this. I'm gonna hit P again. A, bring this down. Hit A. Mouse over, and now I can move it again And look how it's just following this path perfectly. So another thing you can do is hold down the text tool and go down to vertical type tool. Drag that out, make a text box, and now you have kind of a matrix letters feel here. So this makes it easy to type vertical letters. For instance, if I just type in hello, you see that is a vertical word. Let's just delete that, start over, hello. So now we've easily typed that vertically, and we don't have to worry about doing that in some other manual way. And it really makes life easier. All right, so if you are comfortable with these tools, then you're ready to move on to the next video. If not, stick around, practice, and get really good at these tools. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free.